Hello everyone. Sorry about the last Zulu video. I don't know what happened. The sound there wasn't any sound, so I have to remake the first part. Um, yeah, basically it was the locatives I was working on. So let me go back over those, and hopefully we'll have sound this time. Camera. Okay. Alright. So, locatives is what we were working on. Locatives. We all know what locatives are. Location. Okay, like I think in the first lesson I did, for example, this here. I did preposition, locatives. So, for example, I put Mina nia funda isiZulu e kaya. And as you can see here, you see the e here. That's the locative preposition. So that's how that works. So you see the e here in the house. So basically, yeah, that's the preposition for in or at. So today I want to introduce another one, said. It pretty much works the same. Said. It's like at or in. Said. And I'll give you an example of that. So if I ask you upi, if I ask you upi umose, upi umose, where is Moses? Upi umose. And then if I want to say, well, Moses, he's in the class, and I will write umose use klasini. So umose use klasini. So the se here is in the class. It's pretty much the same as this but they have the s here, and the reason for the s is to keep both vowels separated. You can't have two vowels together. That's one of the main rules of Zulu. You can't have two vowels put together. So that's why they put the se here. So it's basically, it's like u e klasini, but there are two vowels, so they put the s here. So u se klasini, u mose, u se klasini. And a ni at the end, you usually put that there for like inside. So klasini, because regular class in Zulu is e klasi. So they put ni here because it's inside the class. So that's how se works. I'll give you another example. Umama upi manje. Upi manje. Where is mom now? Manje is now, if you guys remember from last time. So, where's mom now? So if I want to say mom is at home, I want to use se, so I'll say umama use kaya. And this is like an exception here. Mom is at home. See, there's no ni here at the end of ya. That's one of the exceptions. So some words won't have the ni. So you will see a pattern. But here you want to use ni. So it just be umama use khaya. Mom is at home. Mom is at home. Mom is at home. See my time? 5. Okay. So you have ed and se here. There's another one, kona. Kona. You guys remember kona? Like if I greet you, I say sawubona. I'll say sawubona. Now actually when unjani, then you say ni kona. Like I'm existing. I'm here. So kona means to exist, or to be existing. So this is another word here to use for existence, kona. So using the same example above, I ask you, I'll use a different name. Upi, Steve. Upi, Steve. Where's Steve? If you want to use kona, you say, like, let's just say like the class. Steve, Ukona e classini. Steve, Ukona e classini. So you have your existence here, kona, and then you have this preposition e. So you have kona and se working the same way pretty much. So that's what I wanted to introduce in this lesson. I'll give you one more example. One more example with kona. Let's use the same one, mama. Where's mama? Mama, upi, manje. Mama, upi, manje. So we want to say mom is at home now. So we're using kona. So we'll say umama, ukona e kaya manje. Umama ukona e kaya manje. So we have se and kona. You guys know how to use se and kona now. So that's basically what I did in the last video that got cut off with the sound. I have a part 2 going over this stuff as well. So you guys, hopefully I'm gonna see if the sound is good on this video. Hopefully we won't lose sound again. But this is it for lesson number 6, and I'll see what we'll do next time for lesson number 7. So thanks for viewing the video, and I'll see you guys next time, lesson number 7.